Avran is a brand from Mewar, Udaipur, and we work with mud resist block printing. It's a traditional craft of Mewar region, and we work with natural dyes. What Mrinal is wearing is also like tea dip. So we work with turmeric, and we are a zero waste company. So coming to Lakme was a beautiful, scary, like wonderful experience because we want to make more sustainability more commercial and so like more sustained. So that's why.
I'm so happy to be here. First of all, thank you very much, guys. It's my first time walking for Lakme Fashion Week, and nothing, and her first time as well. So nothing like beginning and walking for Alka. Trust me, I'm so happy to wear this garment. I'm happy to carry it because it's so comfortable. The fabric, I just feel like I can like walk, I can run. It's naturally dyed, and as she mentioned, they use tea, they use turmeric to dye, and sustainable. And also, I'm really happy that I got to wear the borla. I did not know how to pronounce it, but through this event I learned that it's called borla, and nothing like beginning it with Alka. So thank you very much.
I'm very grateful to Mrunal. She looks lovely.
Of course, I have to. Your design.
Mushroom silk. जैसे ये oh sorry, this is mulberry silk, mushroom silk, and we've used for this collection. Otherwise, we use all hand woven and. There is a friend of mine, Anne Wispol. She is a paper artist and a miniature artist. So she worked with miniature artists from Udaipur. So she gifted me her paintings. So that was our inspiration. 6 miniature moons. Like everyone is in search for their moon. Moons like mean happiness, peace, serenity.
So, as you can see, I was, when I got to know that I'm wearing a skirt, it's a mulberry silk, and this had pleats on it. So the design itself is very different and very ethnic at the same time. And the best thing about this is that when you wear it, the fabric, it just makes you feel comfortable. And I feel fashion for me is comfort. If you are comfortable, you can just, if you're comfortable with what you're wearing, you can just rock the world. And yeah, I'm absolutely not. I thought that I would be nervous, but I was not. So that's the best thing. And I love the long sleeves. And if you see the lining inside, also it has the dots.
Kashish,
Yeah, the kashish
it's kashish dye.
dye. It's kashish dye. So
And this is inspired from local garment, Kedia, Angrakha. So all the garments were inspired from traditional costumes of India, and then we gave a global touch to it.
I think somewhere down the line, we feel that we're losing the touch of the tradition. So it's really nice where Alka told me about Akola, which is a small village in Rajasthan, and the karigars, the people who make all of this by their hand. So this everything, the entire garment is made by hands. So yeah. My style, my style is I always follow traditional. I love sari. I love wearing saris. I always make sure that because I have that ever since 4 years old I have worn saris, and I have the traditional, the anarkalis, the angarakas, and that's my favorite. So nothing like beginning with traditional garments, outfits.
Do we have any other questions?
So actually, we've introduced Avran Luxury with Lakme. Luxury. So we've introduced the local embroideries of Udaipur. So in this, we've used pittan. So like they do Zardozi work and then they beat it. So it's called pittan. Yeah. Like our aim is to revive the traditional languishing embroideries along with the mud resist printing. Like basically all the textile craft of Mewar region. Actually, we've been working since past 6 to 8 months, like taking inspiration, then doing research, and then it's a very labor-intensive process, the block printing, natural dyeing. So that's why, like, you need to have patience and also use. जैसे हमारे मास्टर क्राफ्ट्समैन थे, उनके बेटे अभी हमारे मास्टर क्राफ्ट्समैन हैं, तो हम लोग अब वो यंग जनरेशन है, तो हम उनको पकड़ के रखते हैं कि है ना, मोटिवेट करते हैं, फिर वो, तो अभी हमारे साथ यंग जनरेशन है, मतलब शायद सबसे बड़ी मेरे टीम में मैं ही होंगी. मेथड मॉडर्न होता है और मोटिव्स वगैरह. हाँ, एक्चुअली वी हम लोग डिज़ाइन के बच्चे बुलाते, NID, निफ्ट, तो दे वी गिव देम अ थीम एंड देन दे डू रिसर्च बेस्ड डिज़ाइन डेवलपमेंट फॉर
But
अस.
nothing like a see the combination. पहले हमेशा घाघरा और चोली पहनी जाती थी, but right now जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, मैंने ये एक टॉप पहना which is very modern yet ethnic yet traditional. So you can feel that small minute details, or the Jardosi work at the same time, it's, you know, it's plain, so it's balancing.
So like modern women, like modern girl like Mrunal can wear it easily without much hassle. मुझे लगता है कंफर्ट, जैसे मृणाल बोली, और लाइक सिंपल, लाइक यू कैन से सिंपल की तरफ जा रहा है, और नेचुरल डाइज वगैरह में लाइक पीपल आर गेटिंग अवेयर, बहुत जागरूक हो रहे हैं, स्पेशली फॉरेन के, जापान, कोरिया, लाइक हम लोग वहाँ पे हमारे ज़्यादा डिमांड है नेचुरल डाइज के. So you have to make people aware and make them like garment as per their comfort. Like people can wear it. Like my son, he says, "Mama, why don't you make like superheroes ke dabu prints?" So something like that. So the younger generation can wear it.
Of course, like, you know, before coming here, I was just discussing with the stylist, and I told her that, you know, there are so many outfits that we have. What do we do of those? So she told me one thing, that Mrinal, you know, we can, the linen shirt that you have, you can either make it a crop top, or you can try or wear it in different styles, or just customize something. You know, if you have denims, you can make certain patches and put it on the denim jackets. So in a way, I do have jeans which are like 7, 8 years old, but it's the way you wear it, and that's the best thing. You know, if you see today's generation, they are just customizing things, they're just coming up with like different patches and trying to make it look like more funky, at the same time traditional. If you see, you know, they have these long skirts with a crop top and a denim jacket, which is like a fusion. So I'm really liking the vibe. And yes, of course, I am towards sustainability, and I really support. And today is the day. Yeah.